I was an HVAC technician, and if you are looking at portable air conditioners, you need to look past brand labels and focus on sealed system mechanics. Today we are comparing the TCL H10PH36W and the Whirlpool WHAP13HBWC. The fundamental operational reality for both units is that they rely on a single hose exhaust design, which creates negative pressure in your living space. Single hose units suck conditioned room air over the hot condenser coil and blow it outside. That displaced air has to come from somewhere, so warm outside air gets drawn back inside through window frames, door sweeps, and wall outlets. This infiltration lowers your net cooling output compared to dual hose systems. When looking at these two models, the single biggest technical difference lies in refrigerant choice, thermal efficiency ratings, and acoustic output. The TCL H10PH36W operates on modern R32 refrigerant and carries an energy efficiency ratio of 9.0. R32 operates at thermodynamic pressures that allow better heat transfer capability per pound of refrigerant compared to older blends. The Whirlpool WHAP13HBWC runs on older R410 refrigerant, and the manufacturer provides no published EER rating for this model. Unrated efficiency on an R410, a single hose machine, generally indicates higher power consumption per BTU of heat removed, directly driving up your summer electric bills. Both units utilize traditional single-speed, non-inverter compressors. A single-speed compressor operates like an on-off switch. It draws maximum locked rotor amps upon startup, runs at full electrical load until the thermostat is satisfied, and then shuts off completely. This cycling causes temperature fluctuations inside the room and subjects internal components to repeated electrical stress during start cycles. Noise levels differ between the two models. The TCL H10PH36W carries a factory sound rating of 51 decibels, while the Whirlpool WHAP13HBWC is rated higher at 54.3 decibels. Because decibel scales are logarithmic, a 3 decibel increase represents double the acoustic sound power. In a bedroom or office, that higher sound rating on the Whirlpool translates to noticeably more mechanical compressor and fan noise during operation. Smart controls are included on the TCL, featuring Wi-Fi and voice assistant compatibility. The Whirlpool has no wireless connectivity. Smart scheduling lets you ramp up cooling before you get home without leaving the compressor running all day, saving electrical wear and power costs. Warranty coverage on both machines is identical. Both brands offer a 1-year limited unit warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty. A 1-year compressor warranty is minimal for portable refrigeration equipment, meaning any sealed system leak or compressor failure after 12 months makes the machine a throwaway appliance. Looking at price and overall value, the TCL H10PH36W retails around $649.99, while the Whirlpool WHAP13HBWC sells for approximately $510. Even with the higher purchase price, the TCL H10PH36W is the better purchase. It's rated 9.0 EER, R32 refrigerant, lower sound level, washable filter, and smart scheduling provide better real-world cooling efficiency and lower operating costs over the life of the machine.